This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and yes, I am French, but I did spend quite some time making wine in the heart of Italy, in Tuscany, so I do speak fluent Italian as well. So we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous, one of the most famous of all Italian wines, made from the Nebbiolo grape in the north of Italy, to be precise, in the Piedmont wine region that the Italians call Piemonte, the cousin of another famous illustrious wine, illustrious vino from Italy, the Barbaresco. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Barolo. With the typical pronunciation, Italian pronunciation, you have to say Barolo. Do emphasize on the middle O. The O in the middle here in white on your image, the Barolo. If you are not able to say the Italian R and roll the R, ro, say ro, well, do not say, and if you can't say Barolo, you just say Barolo, Barolo, but you definitely want to emphasize on the middle O here, Barolo, Barolo. I hope this video was useful. If it was, stick around my YouTube channel and give this video a thumb up to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir, ciao ciao, bye.